Hi, in this video we will going to look at what is REST service. Representational state transfer service, which is REST service, is used to implement communication between client and server in a web application. REST service are communication method between two applications. A web client or mobile app may call it backend solution through REST endpoint, but even backend service might communicate using REST web service call. Okay, so let's look at Spring MVC flow for the REST endpoint. Here we have a client. A client make HTTP request. The client make an HTTP request, and then we have Tomcat. Tomcat get the HTTP request and then call the Spring Boot configured servlet, which is dispatcher servlet. So dispatcher servlet is the entry point of our Spring web app. Its responsibility is to manage folder inside the Spring app. It has to find which controller action to call for the request. So the dispatcher servlet delegate the responsibility of finding the controller action to a component called handler mapping. So when handler mapping find the action associated with the request, then the dispatcher servlet will call this action. So the action will return a name. So the name that is returned will be returned to the client as a response body. So in a normal Spring MVC flow, when controller action returns that name, the dispatcher servlet delegates the responsibility of finding the view name to the view resolver. If the view resolver finds the view, it will return to dispatcher servlet. Then the dispatcher servlet will return this view to the client. But here you can see we cancel this view. Okay, that means that there is no view involved here. It just returns the value from the action that is returned as a response body to the client. So this is the Spring MVC flow for the REST endpoint. So in the next video we will going to look at Spring REST in more detail in this series, Spring Framework tutorial series. See you in the next video.